Hi everybody, welcome to Not Too Shabby Chic. My name is Dale, and today I have an unboxing from Globleland Products. They had reached out to me and I selected 3 things that I wanted to give a try, and I just got them in the mail and I'm doing an unboxing. Globleland is spelled Globleland. And they have all kinds of products. So it's just amazing to go on their website and see so many stamps and dies. It is, I think, the main things that they have. They have lots of things. And you can go on their website, which is globleland.com, and place an order. You can do a search, or you can find what you want, put it in your cart, create you an account. That way you don't have to have issues. You create an account, it's free, and they're always having discount codes. I think right now they're having a code. Let me look and see. When you log in, there is a code for $3 off if you order anyway, if you order a certain amount, they have an here it is. It's a free coupon for $3 off of $30, and then so they'll apply that at your checkout. And in addition, these products I'm excited to try, so I'll be doing 2 tutorials to show you how to use these products. And like I said, their website is www.globleland.com, and I'll have it in the description box below, and I'll have the product descriptions in the box below, and check them out. I will be getting a coupon code for my subscribers that you can use to when you go shopping. I'm not sure how much the coupon code is just yet. I'm not sure if they've told me, so I'm going to look at my email and see if I see the coupon code. And I apologize that I am taking so long. I forgot about the coupon code. Well, they'll give me one. Maybe I'll get it after I do the unboxing, and I can post it in the description box when I actually do the tutorials. And I'm not sure how much you get off or anything like that. So I don't keep taking up time searching for something that doesn't exist, or maybe it does. And it's early in the morning for me and I haven't seen it yet. Let's see what I got. These are heavy dies, so they feel like really good quality. Here is the shipping code, the packing list that you get, and these are the let's see if we can focus, the product codes. And there's the other product code for what I'm going to show you. And I will link these below as well. And you can't tell from the tiny picture of what they are. So this one I was super excited about. I think I've seen someone use this before, or something similar. And you get 1, 2, 3, 5 pieces. Okay, so they look all the same. Interesting. So instead of having to take one die and cut it through a bunch of times to get a like a bulldog clip, or a binder clip, or a paper clip, or a push pin, these are adorable. You can put 5 on there and get 5 at one time. Isn't that awesome? So these are going to be fun to use, and some of them you kind of put together, like this Sorry for the glare. This is the bulldog clip. Binder clip, I believe. And this little hinge will go on the binder clip. You know what? I'll be figuring it out when I use it, and we'll figure it out together. But this is awesome. I did not realize there were 5 sets in one pack. So there you go. Again, here's the coupon code for these. See if we can focus. Come on, focus. There it is. And I will post that in my description box. And we have this adorable, here's the coupon code, the product code, of a chicken with the nest and egg and a baby chicken. And I thought this would be adorable in my recipe journal or in a farmland journal, but it is just super cute. So I'm excited to get to use this die, and they're all, good quality. Here's the coupon code for the next one I'm going to show you. And I'm not real sure, honestly, what this is. I don't remember. So let me see. Again, you get, wow, in this one, 3, 6, 9, 10 sets of these. And I think this is a mini little Rolodex card, maybe. This too, and this looks like you fold it down and it's the same thing. In any case, I'm excited to see what these are, and once again, you don't have to cut out one at a time. You get 10, so you can cut out a bunch at one time, which is super cool because they're small and they should all fit, or not all fit, but a lot of them will fit on one platform as you roll it through. So I will be showing you how these work in the next video, and this is exciting, and we will see what I come up with, and I'll show you how to run it through the die and how to use it. And as a sidebar, I ordered some things from Globleland that I wanted to share with you, just so you could see. They have awesome stamps. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like 9 sheets of stamps. The price was super reasonable. Sometimes, shipping is expensive with them, but if you get, their prices are so cheap, it offsets the price of the shipping. But look at these little stamps. This is a little chef, little girl. 2 little girls. One's holding a salt shaker. She's stirring in some dough. And you've got the utensils and an ice cream cone. You really spice up my life. I love that. And then these little jars and cups. I just think these would be great for my cookbook journal. Then I bought this fruit sheet, which is super cool. It's a basket of fruit. Then there's strawberries, a banana, pineapple, peaches, a lemon, tomatoes, grapes, watermelon, plums or figs maybe. But these are going to be fun to use for my cookbook journal. Here's some more cooking people. She's smiling, decorating a cake, making icing maybe. Here's the stove, the oven mitts. It's cute. So I'm excited to use these. And again, I placed this order, I think after I picked what I was going to do for the unboxing. But I just wanted to share these with you too. Look at all the little pigs. For my cookbook journal or for a farm journal. Adorable. I love little pigs. And this one I love. These are farm animals. And again, I like the pig, the cow, the chicken. And then we got a sheep, a ram's head, and a horse's head. But look how pretty they are. And I got this background stamp that has all kinds of just script on it. This one you can't see as well. I didn't want to looks like the Capitol building. It says postage due 46 cents. These are some buildings. Flying to many colors of Europe, packed with ancient history. I mean, it looks like welcome about going to Europe and different places. It's a cool background stamp. And then look at the little bunnies. And I love the little hedgehog. And adorable. And love these labels because we can stamp them and fussy cut them out and do what we want with them. So I really liked those. Now, what is this? Let me see what I got here. I got things stuck everywhere, guys. Oh, that has nothing to do with anything. I don't even know why that's in there. And last but not least, for my sewing journal, I got more sewing stamps. These are from Globleland that I ordered. Look at that gorgeous sewing machine. Aren't these pretty? So I'm excited to use these. And I may use them in conjunction with the dies that I am trying out, since they're all Globleland, just so you can see. So stay tuned in the next video, and we will have a tutorial on how to use these dies and what I might want to do with them. Have a blessed day. Know God loves you, and so do I. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.